Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be sharing with you the best 5 free AI copywriting tools if you want to be using as a beginner digital marketer in 2022. So without wasting any more of our time, let's begin with the video. At number 5, we have Jasper.ai. Jasper is one of the most popular AI-powered copywriting tools in the market. Many people have claimed that this tool will replace humans in the content generation process, which has caused a lot of hype. Jasper says it can assist users in automatically generating good content. This content generation tool uses artificial intelligence and natural language to create content that is outstanding, saving users a lot of time that would be spent on researching and writing. Users can produce high-converting ads, landing pages, blog articles, social media content, product reviews, ebooks, and more with Jasper. It can accomplish all this automatically, which is nice. Jasper is trusted by over 50,000 users since it produces content that is superior to most AI writing tools available. You won't be dissatisfied if you want to give Jasper a try and you want to also write faster and find a fantastic writing tool that will make your job easier. By automating your content generation process with Jasper, you are able to produce more content more quickly than you could do writing with your hands. Users get access to over 50 short-form copywriting templates thanks to Jasper.ai. Utilizing these templates will enable you to swiftly produce content at ease. You can use these templates to create content for various platforms including blogs, Google, social media, emails, ads, SEOs, videos, e-commerce, news, and more. So the main reason why Jasper.ai is number 5 on this list and not in my top 3 is because it only offers a free trial and not a complete free plan. And at number 4, we have Texta.ai. Texta.ai is a tool that produces top-notch content for you quickly. Texta.ai can automatically create content for your website, blog, SEO, advertisements, and social media. It's a program that uses AI to automatically create content, and it's intended for designers, company owners, marketers, small enterprises, and anyone who wants to use Texta.ai. Other languages supported by this content production tool includes English, German, Spanish, and French. With only one click, Texta.ai generates all these contents required for your brand in a matter of seconds. This tool is skilled at producing content that will resonate with your intended audience. By giving you the option to select from segments of automatically created content for you in your copy and your articles or whatever you're writing with Texta.ai. And with this, it can help you overcome writer's block. Copywriting has been streamlined and made available to everyone via Texta.ai. It provides SEO contents to help your website rise to the top of the SERP rank and generates an infinite number of effective content and copies in a matter of seconds, and enables you to create stories by choosing from a range of content pieces. Amazing product descriptions made by Texta.ai will boost your customer engagement, and with Texta.ai you will never run out of innovative ideas for your campaign. You can test and assess your email campaigns, social media ads, landing pages, and more with their tool variants. It comes up with tons of features to make things easier for you when creating content. You can use more than 30 tools on Texta.ai, including the writing tool used by its online generator, sales copy in AIDA, and Texta also offers a free trial, but it offers the cheapest plan I've ever seen, giving you 300,000 words for just $10. So give it a try if you have a little in the budget. And third on the list, we have Headlime. Headlime is another platform that uses artificial intelligence to assist you in writing more effective and efficient marketing copy. Business owners, marketing firms, social media managers, designers of digital products, content writers, and anybody else who want to create persuasive materials can utilize this tool. Here are some of the few things I love about Headlime. It allows busy marketers to produce copies more quickly, makes your writing better with more than 1,700 expert templates, and if you normally contract out your copywriting, it saves you a lot of money. It offers its copywriting and its writing in English, Spanish, French, German, Russian, Chinese, Japanese, Italian, and other languages. Headlime uses natural language processing system called GP3, which creates language that sounds like a human speech. Headlime has developed this program to employ GP3, which is constantly evolving to quickly produce more captivating text. Although some sophisticated softwares are involved, programming knowledge is not required to benefit from its outcome. You must provide Headlime with a prompt or with a description of 100 characters in order to receive the copy that you need. And then it will automatically create the unique and effective copy for you. Nearly every marketing style and specialized area is covered by Headlime's 1,700 templates across its 20 categories. To allow you to avoid starting each project from scratch, these templates are real time savers. And it has a lot of templates on headlines, queries and surveys, Google Ads, Facebook FAQs, email testimonials, social media campaigns, and a lot more to talk about. So start with these and other templates and then modify them to your own company's or your own business or brand marketing style. So this tool is also completely free to use, unlike the first two I talked about. So give it a try when you want to. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please do smash that like button, and every tool that will be mentioned in this video will be linked in the description section below. So let's get back to the video. At number 2, we have Scalenut. Anyone who has troubles coming up with ideas for their first drafts or for the development of their content should definitely check out Scalenut. Without having to worry about spending hours in front of a blank page staring at you in the face, it enables you to write, edit, and design your copies. This tool makes it simple to write copies with clear structure that is well organized and easy to read, as well as product descriptions for your online stores. Additionally, because Scalenut offers SEO optimization and NLP capabilities, more readers will find your content on the search engine results page. It uses information from varieties of sources, including blog posts and articles, and also copies from other websites and other landing pages to assist you create better content that will help you rank well on the search engine. Anyone interested in using SEO to increase the likelihood that their content will rank higher than their competition should check out Scalenut's SEO Assistant. With keyword research and analysis, it can help you choose the best keywords for your posts and for your copies. This is really helpful in making content optimization accessible. Of course, utilizing specific SEO softwares is more effective, but you'll also need extra cash in your hand to get those specific things that you need. Like other AI writing programs, Scalenut includes copywriting templates like PSA and AIDA. They function as planned, and there are many other AI templates available for you to use in their UI. Scalenut is one of the best out there for digital marketers and copywriters, so give it a try, and I'm sure it's not going to hurt in any way. And finally, we have Simplified.com. Simplified enables you to develop, work together, and expand your marketing initiatives. You can design, write marketing materials, create videos, collaborate, and post on social media all in one location. With the helpful AI writer, appealing templates, design editor, and limitless workspace, you can easily finish a full digital marketing process in one place. It is now simpler than ever to design anything and expand your business and communicate with your team thanks to Simplify.ai. You get the opportunity to create stunning copies for nothing. Simplify.ai copywriting can be used for everything from article creation to marketing. This program can automatically produce shareable content that includes copy, images, and designs. Additionally, it can create a large number of ready-to-post content pieces while choosing the best image for your content. You can quickly produce 30 plus various types of copy with this AI copywriter. You can write original materials for different things like ads, quotations, questions, products, descriptions, blogs, articles, and more using Simplified for free. With this tool, you can quickly write text that increases conversions for emails, landing pages, Facebook ads, product descriptions, YouTube descriptions, and taglines. To reach a wider audience, you can also create advertisement copies in a number of tones and language. Now that I've come to the end of this video, please do give me your opinion on these AI copywriters and tell me the one that you're more likely to use in the comment section below. So smash that like button if you enjoyed this video and if you got value from it, and subscribe if you want to, and if you choose to, please do also hit that notification bell to always get updates on my new videos. So if you're a beginner digital marketer and you've been looking for free tools to help you in your marketing needs, do check out this video on 5 free digital marketing tools for marketers. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.